everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we are actually going to make a body scrub that will brighten your skin, will lighten your skin, and it doesn't matter even if you have sensitive skin, this scrub will suit your skin and it will not irritate your skin. So as you can see, we are using salts. I will advise if you have sensitive skin to avoid salt scrubs, like any scrub that contains salt as the exfoliant. You should try and avoid those scrubs. So here we have our sugar. I've measured about 4 tablespoons, I believe, and there is papaya oil. In case you don't know how I made this papaya oil, you can check my video. I will leave the link of the video in the description box to check and see how I actually make this oil. It's very, very good. It's brightening, it's soothing, it's anti-aging. So there is like 1 tablespoon of papaya oil in your sugar. The reason why I did that is because I don't want to put honey first, considering I don't want it to melt my sugar before I finish formulating. So you get the math, right? So there we have our tablespoon of honey. Honey is very, very good when it comes to calming your sensitive skin. Even if you're suffering from dark spots or any hyperpigmentation, honey is very, very good in soothing that out. So this scrub is very, very simple. Like, it's only, I think, 4 ingredients, right? It's not the kind of big deal. You can make this at home. You don't need to break the bank before you do this. I know some of us that have sensitive skin are afraid of using scrub, but trust me, in this case you are safe. You can use this and your skin will love you. So even if you don't have papaya oil, you can make use of either sunflower oil, rosehip oil, argan oil, or jojoba oil. These oils are good when it comes to sensitive skin. They will not clog your pores. They will not add any sensitivity to your already sensitive skin. So there we have it, and here we have our papaya paste. In case, like I said, you don't know how to make this papaya paste, you can check my video. Is there on the description box on how I obtain this papaya paste. You can use raw papaya paste, like just blend your papaya and put it here, but in this case we use fried papaya paste, the one I gotten from the oil that I made. So there you can store this for up to 1 month. It's without using preservative and it will not spoil. So you get the math, right? But you can use raw papaya paste. Maybe if you want to use it for just a week, 5 days kind of thing, I believe it will not spoil. But to be on the safe side, this papaya paste is already fried, not fried, but is fried. So of course it will last for a month without the scrub going bad. And there you have it. That is your simple yet effective, like, guys, just try this scrub and let me know what you think in the comment section. Like, you will love your skin in a week. Trust me, your skin will just be calm. So thank you.